I dared my fiance to do a snow angel, and she actually did. Yeah, she never backs down from a dare, and I kinda regret it because she dared me right back. As a couple living in the north, we wake up to a lot of our mornings like this. So much to the point where we keep those shovels at arm's reach and those snowblower batteries fully charged overnight. The snow's not gonna melt for another 2 months, so we decided to take advantage of it. My parents were born in one of the hottest countries in the world, and I was born in the polar opposite, literally. And during one of the coldest months of the year on my side of the planet, February. Every year I would spend my birthday indoors, or I would take a little vacation to the tropics. This year is gonna be a little different. You see, I always believed that my blood was made different, that I wasn't designed to be in the cold, and I would complain how much I hated winter. But look how beautiful this season can be. And I know not every day is a spa day, but I also realize that I don't have to actually fly 5 hours down south to relax. I don't know what these hammocks are, but these are one of the most comfortable hammocks I've ever been in. It's like being in a cocoon or a baby in a womb. I definitely want one for the house. Not everything was warm and cozy though. We did our share of cold therapy, which has incredible benefits for your health. This is a cold plunge. We tried to stay under this freezing cold water for as long as possible.
We're doing the cold plunge.
As much as our heritage is tropical, we don't get to choose where we're born. We've done this many times in the sand before, and this would be the first in the snow. Whatever the climate, whatever the season, I'm learning to live, especially on my birthday.